Hey everybody, Darts Cards back again with another video. Today we're going to be opening up the Shrouded Fables ETB I just so happened to find at my local Walmart during a restock. So let's go ahead and bust into this one, see what we got. Comes with the player's guide. You guys should know all about. It comes with all the hits, all the regular cards, the whole set if you want to collect those. Throw that to the side. Go ahead and see what's in here. We should have 9 Shrouded Fables packs. Comes with these card sleeves. A code card, if you guys want that. Let you have it. Comes with this Petrarant full art card, promo card. It's very cool. Comes with card dividers, a pack of energy cards, hit markers, and dice. Let's go ahead and put those back in there. I'm going to put these to the side, and we'll start opening a couple packs. All right, so we'll go ahead and open 4 packs this episode and then 5 in the next. We'll start with this guy right here, Monkey Dory. See what we get. Obviously, I'm okay with any of the cool cards like the full arts and whatnot. I don't really know a lot about this set. We got a Fire Energy, a Dartrix, Absol, Houndoom, Rowlet, Hypno, Decidueye, Colress's Tenacity. We have a Reverse Beware, Reverse Sneasel, and a Hollow Cresselia. Let's go ahead and put this guy right there. We can look at him. Let's on to our second pack. I know a lot of people don't like this set, and it's not valued high, but that's alright. Everyone has a different opinion on what they like. If you guys like this set, let me know in the comments. If not, you can let me know what your favorite set is. There's a Water Energy, Duskull, Toxicroak, Inkay, Joltik. We got Academy at Night, Weavile, Night Stretcher. We have a Meowth reverse. We have a Galvantula reverse. And we have a Hollow Haxorus. We have our last Monkey Dory pack. Ooh. Code card. Throw one to the front. We got a Psychic Energy this time. We got a Zora. We got a Dartrix, Stuffle, Houndoom, Decidueye, Binding Mochi. We have Iron Moth. We have a Reverse Houndoom, a Reverse Haxorus, and a Petrarant EX. Looks like, is this an illustration rare? Yeah, full art. And that's nice. We'll go ahead and throw that in the sleeve and top loader and put it back there with the other one. It can be with its buddy. Got 2 Petrarants. Not bad, not bad. Speaking of, we'll open him next, and then we'll call it a video. And you guys can come back for the next video and see what else we get. Code card. Now, if code cards were worth something, I'd be rich. We got a Steel Energy, got a Furfro, Varoom, Absol, Fracture, Janine's Secret Art, 06 Mechanisms or something like that, Kyurem, reverse Drowsy, reverse Toxicroak, and a Tapu Bulu Hollow. Alright, that's it for this video. Here's our hit for the video, and this is our promo card. So come on back next time and check out and see what we get in the next 5 packs. It's been a pleasure. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, keep the channel growing. I love making these videos for you guys. I love all the support that I've been getting. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys next time. Darth's Cards out.